Good day everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to run DNS spoofing attack. So DNS simply means domain name server. It is the process by which human-friendly name is used to map IP address. So let's say you want to access a website, you have to input the website IP address, but you can't cram this IP address always. That's why there is domain name, which you will use to map human-friendly names to IP. So let's say you want to access stackoverflow.com. When you type in stackoverflow.com, the name will link that name to a IP which Stack Overflow data is being saved. So now, this is my Kali machine. Kali has its own web server which is located in var www.html. So I've edited the file, so I will list what's inside my own website, which I've put in there. As you can see, it's just a smiley face. So to see this web server, I have to use Kali IP, which is my machine IP, to check the web server. So I'll use if config is 0. As you can see, this is my IP address 192.168.43.213. so I'll use Ctrl+Shift+C to copy and go to my Firefox. Then I'll paste this IP there and click enter. As you can see, this is my website which has only a smiley face. So I'll go back to my terminal now and run DNS spoofing attack. So I'll clear this terminal here. I already have all the command that will run everything for me here inside this my file soliddata.cap. So I'll come here and run the attack. So as you can see, the attack has started successfully. Everything has started successfully now. So all I have to do now is start my Kali web server. So any request, because I've redirected every request from Stack Overflow and LinkedIn, I've redirected them to this my Kali web server, which means any request that is coming from this my network, which is my Wi-Fi network or wired network, any request going to Stack Overflow or LinkedIn, it will be redirected to this Kali web server. So I will start the web server using service Apache to start. So as you see, there is no error, which means our web server has already started. I've already started, but I just restart it again so you can see. So now I will go to my Windows machine and use my Windows browser. Then I will try and go to stackoverflow.com. So I should be expecting Stack Overflow to load my Kali web server instead of Stack Overflow. As you can see, I'm loading Stack Overflow, which is the domain name stackoverflow.com, but it's loading my Kali web server because I've changed, because I'm in the man in the middle. So instead of serving the user Stack Overflow IP, I'm serving them my own IP address. So I can easily run a Stack Overflow fake. I can run a fake Stack Overflow website here. So anything the user is doing there, so I can use it to sniff their username and password or any other thing. So let me go to linkedin.com. So as you can see, this website loads my Kali web server, which means I'm loading linkedin.com, which is the main domain name, but I'm serving them my Kali IP address. So with this, they can only see my Kali IP address, so they can't go to the main LinkedIn site because I'm the man in the middle. So now everything, any packet they send, like anytime they request for a domain that has stackoverflow.com, they will be redirected to my Kali web server, and anytime they ask for linkedin.com, they will be redirected to my server. So I can easily add more domain names, so anytime they ask for that, it will be redirected to my domain. So I can easily run a fake Stack Overflow in my web server and serve them the fake one, and the user don't know. So join my premium course to learn how to run all this attack and subscribe to my YouTube channel.